Hello everyone! Every step I'm going to show you in this video has been verified by professional mechanics. Please, Uratasi, do not worry about this, as it is a situation that can certainly be resolved. When you see this specific message appear on your screen, it is indicating that the rear door child safety lock system has unfortunately detected a technical fault. This issue may cause the safety feature to fail to activate or deactivate in the way that it is supposed to, which is understandably quite concerning, as it means the rear doors are not behaving exactly as they should be. I remember some customers coming in here and telling us, I tried to activate the child safety lock, but an error message appeared on the screen. I really thought the door was broken. Which really just goes to show exactly how confusing this particular warning can be. On the other hand, one of the most common issues we see involves the door sensors or the actuators. But wait, just hold on a moment. Some customers who came from another shop told us, where I came from, they checked the actuator and after cleaning it, everything worked fine again. Ores ahwina tasia teama. Now, looking at this from the perspective of our workshop, if the vehicle system happens to receive conflicting or contradictory signals concerning the actual position of the door or the lock, it will automatically choose to disable that specific function entirely, just to ensure there's absolutely no risk involved. As we technicians frequently like to say among ourselves, the car would much rather provide you with a warning before someone accidentally manages to open the door. Simultaneously, electrical complications or sudden voltage drops can also trigger this specific warning message. That is precisely why, during interviews I conducted with customers who visited our shop, they explained to me the battery was running low and a series of errors appeared, including the child lock. In these modern vehicles, even a slight fluctuation in voltage can negatively affect the sensitive electronic modules in the doors, a fact that many people are simply not aware of. Consequently, this causes the system to enter a protective safety mode, and it will remain in that state until the electrical power has fully stabilized. Furthermore, on certain specific vehicle models, the door control module or the internal software may potentially require a complete system reset or a comprehensive update. That is the primary reason some customers reported back to us. The shop's scanner detected a technical fault in the module, and after a software update, the error message simply disappeared. But I need you to listen very carefully to what I'm telling you. After consulting several official brand resources, I have found that technicians strongly recommend inspecting the actuators, the sensors, and the software if the issue persists to ensure the child safety lock feature is operating exactly as it should. Well, my dear friends, I truly hope that you have found this information to be quite helpful and that it helps you be very careful whenever this specific message appears on your vehicle's dashboard screen. So now you can finally rest easy knowing all of this.